Hello and welcome. My name is Ali Goff. I'm the owner and founder of Goff Legal. We do estate planning, trust administration, and probate in California. The question I often get asked is, how do I protect my business? I have a business and I want to make sure that it doesn't go to the government, that it doesn't get lost, that it doesn't have attorney fees all over it. How can I protect my business? So, the first thing is we want to make sure that your business is being treated like a business. That means during your life, you need to treat it like a separate entity, separate bank accounts, separate credit cards. If you're a corporation, you're doing your, not filing, you are doing your annual minutes, you're having your minutes, or you're waiving your meeting and you're drafting all of those documents. You're filing your statement of information. You have insurance, right? This sets up this nice entity protection, this liability shield around the business that should, when done properly, prevent anyone who sues the business to come after your personal assets. That's important. There's a lot of distinctions, there's a lot of exceptions, so don't use that as like the end all be all, but just know that that's the purpose. Create this nice box to put your business assets in and protect your family stuff. But then we think about, well, what if I die? Then what happens to the business? And if you know anything about California probate, you know that the limit is pretty low, $184,500. If your business is worth more than that, and it doesn't have some sort of buy sell mechanism to a new owner, or it's not in trust, it will go through probate. Probate is a very expensive, time consuming, and public process whereby your stuff is published to the entire world online, including a year plus long process to gather up all your assets, pay all your debts, and finally distribute to your beneficiaries. If you're running a business, do you think it would survive a year-long probate process? Maybe, probably not. But what if your house, your business house in this case, were put into a trust? What would happen then? Well, when you pass, the trustee steps in immediately, can start acting, and can start either winding up the business or continue to run the business and transfer it to the family, or work on a sale to a third party, which will provide cash money to your beneficiaries in your trust. Which one do you like better? Probate? Trust administration. I think you like trust administration, right? Yeah. So really, it's not super complicated to protect your business, but it does take some intention. It takes some planning. And it does usually mean meeting with an estate planning attorney and potentially your business attorney. If your estate planning attorney doesn't do both, you might need both of those heads to talk together to make sure that all your documents are drafted so that your hard earned business goes not through the probate court, not subject to a bunch of taxes and fees, but directly to your beneficiaries or to where you wanted it to go. So that is how you protect your business on your death.